path goes around this triangular park as shown. What is the distance of the straight path of PR? So it's basically this length that we are looking for here. Okay, to do that we can apply Pythagorean theorem to look for the parts of it. All right. Okay, so let's take a look and let's count the length here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the area is, so the first leg is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. B equals to 4. So technically C squared is going to be equal to 7 squared plus 4 squared. This equals to 49 plus 16 is equal to C squared. C squared is equal to 49 plus 16. This is equal to 65. Square root both sides. C is equal to square root 65. If you were to stop in the middle of the straight path, calculate the exact coordinate you would be at. So all you have to do is find this, then which is I think 1, 5. This is where P is. Then you have Q, which is R, which is 8, 1. Now just do the average. So midpoint would be 1 plus 8 divided by 2, which is 9 over 2, comma 5 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 6 divided by 2. That can simplified. 4.5 comma 3 would be the midpoint. Okay. The total distance here, if you think about the perimeter, would be the square root 65 plus 7 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Or you can write it as 7 plus 4, which is 11, plus radical 65. You can't really combine it because one's a whole number, one's a rational or irrational number.